Kitchen gamblers, today we are making the most irresistible shawarma sliders. They're juicy, smoky, loaded with creamy garlic sauce, and honestly, once you make these at home, you might never order shawarma again. So let's grab our ingredients and let's get started. We'll need 500 grams of chicken breast. Slice each breast in half from the middle to make thinner pieces. Then cut them into thin strips as shown in the video. Thin slices cook faster, absorb more flavor, and give you that authentic shawarma texture. Now transfer the chicken into a bowl because it's time to build all that amazing flavor. Start by grating 2 cloves of garlic straight into the bowl. Then grate a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger. Add 1 tablespoon of yogurt. The yogurt helps tenderize the chicken while carrying all those beautiful spices. Add 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon allspice powder, 1/3 teaspoon cardamom powder, 1/3 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1/3 teaspoon clove powder, a pinch of nutmeg, 1/3 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon paprika, half teaspoon cayenne pepper, salt to taste, and half teaspoon turmeric. Finally, zest 1 medium lemon right over the chicken. Then squeeze in its juice. That fresh citrus really brightens up all those warm spices. Give everything a really good mix so every piece of chicken is coated. Finish with a generous drizzle of olive oil and mix once more. Now cover it and let it marinate for at least 2 hours, but if you can leave it overnight, the flavor gets even better. Trust me, it's worth the wait. Into a blender, add a handful of garlic cloves and 1/3 teaspoon salt. Blend until finely crushed. Now, while the blender is running, slowly drizzle in olive oil or any neutral oil. Go nice and slow because we are creating an emulsion. Once the sauce starts getting thick, add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice while blending. If it's still too thin, just keep adding a little more oil until you get a smooth, creamy, fluffy garlic sauce. Once your chicken has finished marinating, heat a pan over medium-high heat. Add 1 teaspoon olive oil followed by 1 teaspoon tomato paste. Cook the tomato paste for about a minute until it becomes darker and fragrant. Now add all the marinated chicken, spread it out in the pan and let it cook without moving it too much at first. That helps create those delicious caramelized edges. Then keep tossing until the chicken is fully cooked and beautifully charred. Now let's prepare a quick glaze for our slider buns. In a small bowl, mix together half tablespoon tomato paste, half teaspoon olive oil and 1 tablespoon water until smooth. Slice your slider buns in half and brush the glaze generously over both the top and the bottom halves. Toast them in a hot pan until lightly golden. That little bit of tomato glaze gives the bun amazing color and adds another layer of flavor. And now, the best part, assembling our sliders. Spreading a generous layer of that creamy garlic sauce on the bottom bun. Add plenty of that juicy shawarma chicken, then top it with crunchy pickles. Add another drizzle of garlic sauce because there's no such thing as too much. Finish with some freshly chopped coriander for a burst of freshness. Place the top bun on and just look at that. Soft, toasted buns, juicy, spiced chicken, creamy garlic sauce and crunchy pickles in every single bite. Serve these with extra garlic sauce on the side and some spicy pickled chilies if you like a little heat. These shawarma sliders are perfect for family dinners, parties, game nights or whatever you're craving restaurant quality shawarma at home. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more delicious recipes every week and let me know in the comments what you'd like me to make next. Now, grab a slider while it's hot and enjoy. And I'll see you in the next one.